really, it's just full of grass. That pitch was absolutely obnoxious, you know. And इमरान खान ने आदेश दिया हुआ है कि अगर घास काटा मैं तेरी गर्दन काट दूंगा. And exact words, he told the groundsman, अगर घास काटा मैं तेरी गर्दन काट दूंगा. और 4 fast bowlers. 5th day of the test match. We've drawn 3 test matches. We've done brilliantly well. 5th day of the test match, India tottering at 22 for 4. 22 for 4. I've been very recently married. बुरी हालत है, मतलब यहाँ से निकल रही है गेंद, वहाँ से निकल रही है, कंधे पे लग रही है, लाल हुआ पड़ी है छाती सारी, बुरा हाल. And I'm praying घर वाली को मिलूंगा भगवान कि नहीं मिलूंगा, आउट ही करवा दे और नहीं तो you know get me out of this situation, you know. 22 पे 4 है यार, पता ही नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रही है. And Ravi Shastri is batting at the other end. This is exactly what happened, you know, exactly what happened. There's a real snorter of a delivery from Waqar. उन दिनों में जवान था, बाउंसर मारता था कहीं पता ही zoom करके just I did this, you know, I ducked, I did this. The instinctive reaction. So Ravi Shastri comes up to me, sir, very well left Sids. मैं कहा मुझे दिखी नहीं. I just didn't see it. So I was very candid to him. He said, हैं? सक पका के वो चला गया उधर, you know. Next over उसको पड़ा bouncer, खट करके, you know, it hit him on the glove and caught at gully, you know, he's out. Ravi Shastri चला जा रहा है, you know. I'm unlucky, you know. I'm unlucky. I should have gone to a church. I should have gone to a mosque. ये वो करके चिल्लाया जा रहा है. I'm thinking you're the luckiest guy. Boss, तू बाहर जा रहा है और मैं यहाँ झेल रहा हूँ. You're the luckiest guy, I told him. And suddenly, I see Tendulkar walk in, you know. And my eyes light up. मैं क्या गुरु अब बनी बात. ये तो बलि का बकरा है. ये तो आउट होगा. छोटू बच्चू है. ये तो आउट होगा और उसके बाद कौन है यार? कौन है उसके बाद? तो बस कुंबले शुंबले है. साइकिल स्टैंड की तरह एक को धक्का मारो गड़ 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 ठपैक. You know, gone. I mean, now is the time to think positive. Come on, Sherry, think positive. I'm telling myself, you know. And Tendulkar comes in. First ball is cut into ribbons. 2 or zoom, अंदर से गई. गया boss, गया. And the next delivery, something weird happens. Something that I've never forgotten all my life. It's etched in my memory. You know, it's a short bouncer, very vicious, quick as lightning, quick as flash. Tendulkar tries to hook, and the ball hits the inside edge of the bat and hits him on the nose. You know, it hit him right on the nose. And he went down like a sack of potatoes. And the first thought that crosses my mind is mar gaya chora. You know, I Vijender wali bhasha mein mar gaya chora, you see. And he fell dham karke niche. I ran towards him. Believe you me, his nose was totally smashed, out of place. There was blood gushing out, you know, all over his shirt, and he was doing, I thought, bachega, nahi bachega, you know, it was a gory sight, boss. And I shouted frantically, you know, frantically. I said, boss, stretcher. और सामने देखा तो मेरी थूक ही निकल गई. सामने अली ईरानी, plump as a partridge. His remedies were worse than Tendulkar illness. His remedies were worse than Tendulkar's illness. And why do I say that? Because he has 2 remedies, you know. One was Saradon tablet, other was an ice cap that he would put on your head, you know. And he was carrying that ice cap. Mar gaya guru, you know. And he started shaking Tendulkar, putting that Saradon in his mouth. And oh my God, gaya boss. And I'm walking towards the non-striker end thinking, boss, 6 out ho gaye, bachega, nahi bachega. By the time I reach the non-striker's end, I hear a squeaky voice. तुमको Tendulkar का आवाज पता है ना? Squeaky. मैं खेलेगा. And I just turn around and I look, you know, absolutely flabbergasted. You know, I still can't remember. I look at him. नाक से रुई गिर रही है ऐसे, खून गिर रहा है. And he's shooing away, Dr. Ilani. मैं खेलेगा इसे. मैं खेलेगा. Ali, मैं खेलेगा. Oh my God, you know, in that situation, अगर मेरे चोट लगी होती तो मैं शाम को 5:30 बजे ही उठता मैच के बाद. You know, I would have never woken up in that situation, you know. And I just look at him and something snapped within me. I said, सरदार जी, तू 28-30 साल का है, वो 15-20 साल का है यार, क्या तू देख तो सही यार. He's prepared to fight for his country and you're thinking about your wife in this situation, boss. कि मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, you know. And वहां पे मेरे मन में वो बात आ गई. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती, जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है, पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. And I woke up from my slumber, Believe you me, ladies and gentlemen, I knew the next delivery was going to be a yorker, big yorker which is going to hit him either on the toe or the stump. या तो टांग बचाओ या फिर जान बचाओ या फिर डंडे पे लगेगी गेंद, you know. और उसके पहले टूर्नामेंट में मैं भुगत चुका था. I had played this Waqar, you know, swinging in, swinging yorker. I tried to drive it through the covers और बाहर से गेंद स्विंग हो गया, लेग स्टंप बाहर. और मैं बाहर जा रहा था जब कपिल पाजी रास्ते में मिले मुझे. सरदार, अंधा हो गया, नजर नहीं आती बॉल. सॉरी पाजी. एंड पाजी गए वहां, पहलवान जैसे खड़ा करके. माइन swung from outside the off stump. His swung from behind the bump. Zoom, ठपाक, डंडा पहली बार. फर्स्ट बॉल खट, वो भी बाहर. जब बाहर आए मैं कुंबले की एनके लेके गया. मैं पाजी ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ दिख रही है? Are you seeing it? Khatak, you know, smash. So I knew that Tendulkar is going to face the same yorker. Believe you me, with a splattered nose, he was standing 2 feet behind. 2 feet behind. He anticipated. In that state of mind, he anticipated. And the first ball that he faced after that, 150 kilometers towards him and 180 kilometers towards me, I did this. And the ball went below my legs, tapak, holding pe laga and wapas, khatak, you know. And a pin drop silence. When Waqar just came up to him, he said, like that, he looked at him and gave him a solid stare. मेरी तरफ देखता, मैं सूरज चांद सितारे देखता था. But Tendulkar looked back at him. Looked back at him. I have never understood the Marathi language. I don't know. But those words that he said, I have never asked their meaning, because then maybe I would fear saying them. But because it was as it is, whatever he said, I want to tell you what he said. Because you are Maharashtrians, and he uttered those words in chaste Maharashtrian. I don't know what it was, and I still don't know what it was. I've never had the trouble or took the trouble to ask what it is. He just walked up to Waqar Younis. And Waqar gave him a choicest, all that, you know. And he looked at, he says, butter, tuja aitsa go. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it was. But the exact lines, I'm telling you the exact lines that he said. He said, butter, and, you know, the other thing, Waqar backed off. Ladies and gentlemen, young Tendulkar scored 57 not out. Kharbooze ko kharbooza dekh ke kharbooza rang badalta hai. Yours truly, 97 not out. It's a world record. And it stands till date. Now this is what happens to courageous people. They become achievers. You've got to be a believer first. You've got to be a believer first, and then you become an achiever.